Hey guys, welcome back to another channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a piece in a ship. I used to be obsessed with ships, but now I'm not anymore. Obsessed with cute and stuff. So what you do is going to grab a small screw and put it in gently. Do the same for the right or left. Left. Okay, hold up. I'll be right back. Ayoko. Okay. Now, grab this piece. Then I'm going to screw it in behind the screw. This should take no longer than 1 minute. Or under. This video has to get 20 likes. And I'll do the next update. Okay. Now to disassemble, it's like this. It's just the same way, just reverse. There we go. Now if you want to disassemble your ship, because if it was there for like too long, then do it on every side of the ship. But then take off these legs like this. So what you're gonna do is that. Good job. And by the way, if you don't know how rockets work, it's just simple. I'll show you. This video has to get to 10 likes for me to do something. Okay, just let me get a piece of paper. So here's how it goes. We're doing a solid fuel rocket. Okay, so we got the nose cone, just full of stuff to ignite the solid fuel. Shorter goal. So this is how it works.